Welcome to Adriana Steno Classes. Dictation start now. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that instructions were issued during the previous emergency proclaimed on 26th October 1962 in the country, laying down benefits and concession which the released military personnel were to be entitled on their appointment to state service. Stop. The instruction also covered the serving employees who offered to go to the military. Stop. In their case, benefits of returning lien counting military service towards seniority, promotion, etc. Stop. Were extended. These instructions were followed by statutory rules called the Punjab Government National Emergency Rules 1965. These rules took into account the service rendered during the period of operation of emergency declared on 26 October 1962 or such other service as might thereafter be declared as military service for the purpose of those rules. Stop. On 17 June 1968, specific rules of reservation were enforced with entirely related to the grant of benefit of seniority and pay etc. to the released military personnel who were requited against the reserved vacancies by direct appointment. Stop. The net effect of the rules of 1968, which had an overriding quota of reservation and benefit of seniority and pay to those appointed against the reserved vacancies. The rules of 1965 remain in force regarding the rest of the matter, which benefits to those who were appointed in civil service on return from military service prior to the enforcement of rules 1968 and to those civil employees who had offered to go to the military during the emergency. Stop. The government of India have now issued a circular letter for facility of central government offices, making it clear that their previous instruction for the retention of liens of civil government servants who were permitted to take up military service during the last emergency and other allied benefits as such seniority, confirmation, promotion, other allied benefits during their absence in military service shall apply mutandis to the release emergency commissioned officer who were serving in the civil service under the central government and who now rejoin the army during the present emergency, I am to request you to ensure proper compliance of the rules mentioned above so that the interest of both government employees as well as of government work are properly safeguarded. Stop.